What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm with my friend Anthony and Blake, and we're at Anthony's house. We got the G pulled into the garage, but I'm gonna go ahead and let Anthony explain what we're doing today.
Alright, so basically this is what we're putting in the G today. It's an oil catch can. And basically what it does is it filters oil and can collect blow-by. Blow-by is caused by like combustion in the engine. Basically bad oil coming back where it shouldn't go. And so over here is what we're going to be doing. We're taking this hose off and we're going to connect one hose from here to there and the other here to there. It's going to be chilling right there.
Yeah, so basically right here is probably a vacuum tube, and there's probably some blow-by oil coming through here. Just stuff coming from in the intake and the valve covers, because this is attached to the valve cover, because this is a V6. So we're going to put that catch can in there to help filter the stuff out so the engine's breathing better blow-by air, I guess. So yeah, let's get into it. So first step is to disconnect the battery. So step 2 is to attach the mount. So it's going to go ahead and replace this mount right here for, I don't know what language that is. We're going to go ahead and put this in place of the bracket right there, and they'll hold this and then the new oil catch can.
That's power steering fluid. How are you supposed to fit that in there? You read it?
Wrench.
Yeah.
Don't break your knuckles. Alright guys, so we just got all 3 bolts loosened. You go ahead and, we tried taking this off, but that's still in there, but you can't do that. You can't pull this up anywhere, so you just push down on the bracket and it'll slide right out. So here's the old one, all factory looking. And then there's this sweet looking new one that goes and slides down in there. Like so. Yeah, so the only thing that you have to take from this old bracket are these bushings right here. So it's just gonna be a flat piece and it's not gonna fit up right. So you gotta go ahead and slide these bad boys off. As we just got the bracket on, so we're gonna go ahead and attach the oil catch can and then attach the hoses.
It's a cool camper. Keep on it. And we screw it in. Safety first, y'all. How tight should I go?
Not super tight, just like, don't like force it. The man's got the Kansas shirt on for soccer.
Just make sure he's gone, dude. He's
Alright, while they're messing around, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these on these hoses so we can get it out of the way, so we can go ahead and connect the thing up to it.
Wrap the bag up. Dude.
It's part of the game, bro. It's part of the game. Wow.
Alright guys, I just got this side off. I went ahead and turned it up. Now I can go ahead and pull this bad boy off of here. Maybe. Yeah, you guys can see there's a little oil residue in there. It's because there's oil going through here, but all that stuff is connecting from the intake to the valve cover. So obviously that's not good going through there. So we're gonna go ahead and put this oil catch can in there to save the day. Looking good.
We gotta figure out.
Alright, so mounting up both of the hoses.
Let's cut the first one.
We're gonna go ahead and cut this first one with the SpongeBob cutters.
I cut it like right about. Remember?
Alright, before you guys fully tighten those down, the inlet and the outlet on the catch can, make sure you put the O-rings on. We put some tape on there, but we're gonna put the O-ring on there as well. Alright, we got the hoses on. We're getting ready to clamp it. It's looking nice. We got these clamps down here. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these actually while they're doing that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we just got this thing tightened down. Started up. Everything's good. The car's running fine, so that means there's no leaks.
Hey, we just gotta clean this.
It got the blue to match that windshield wiper cap, the intake, and most of all, the Gome.
Brandon.
Over there, bro.